My name is Amanpreet Singh. I am from a Sikh family. We are a family of six. My father's name is Harbans Singh, who is a retired army officer. My mother's name is Rajinder Kaur. She is a housewife. I have two elder sisters who are happily married and one elder brother who is graduating.
Achievers striving for your career.
Hi, Aman.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine, sir.
Tell me something about yourself, Aman.
So my name is Amanpreet Singh. I am from a Sikh family. We are a family of six. My father's name is Harbans Singh, who is a retired army officer. My mother's name is Rajinder Kaur. She is a housewife. I have two elder sisters who are happily married and one elder brother who is graduating. I was born in the Tehsil Nowshera district, Rajouri of Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir, and that is where I grew up and did my matriculation from Christ High School, Nowshera, and scored 86.80%. Then I moved to Jammu for my further studies and did my 10+2 from Government SRML High Secondary School and scored 91.80%. My hobby is to write poems, and I can say I have improved myself quite well in it. I can sing and recently got second prize for patriotic song competition. I love being in nature, which motivates me to do better. I love to lead and always been ready to do so, as I was vice captain and captain in my school and managed almost every event of my school. I had developed emotional stability over time to a limit. One thing I consider as my drawback is that when something strikes my mind and I know something about it, I don't stand back from speaking. From my childhood itself, I always dreamt of joining defense services and serve my country as an officer, and I won't leave any chance of doing so. Yes, sir.
Okay, you told that nature teaches you to do better.
Yes, sir.
How?
So I was born in a village, and I've always been surrounded by, from my childhood, I was always been surrounded by villages and trees and all. And as I write poems, the nature motivates me to write poems, and always it encourages me to do better. It corrects my words, enhances my thinking abilities, and those things. This is how it helps me to do better every day.
Okay, tell me your percentage starting from class 8 onwards.
So in 8th I scored 79.30%, and then in the ninth class I scored 86.30%, and then in 10th class I scored 86.80%, then in 11th class I scored 87.80%, and in 12th class I scored 91.80%.
That's great. Over the years, you have increased your percentage.
Yes, sir.
How it generally, I have seen that people decreases their percentage with the increase in classes.
So I wasn't a good student from beginning. Before 8th class, I didn't score well. I almost failed. But from in 8th class, I also didn't. I wasn't motivated for studies. But when I came in 9th class, I got motivated for studies. And from then itself, I came to know I can do better every day by hard work. And by hard work, that is how I did and scored great marks.
Okay. How many best friends do you have and why? How many, which best quality of your best friend you like most, and what is the quality which you do not like of your friend and why?
So I had two best friends. One is girl and one is boy.
Sorry?
I had two best friends. One is girl and one is boy. The girl who is my best friend, her name is Nikita Sehal, and the boy's name is Mohit Gujral. So the best quality of both is that whenever I need them and I need their guidance and anything I need from them, they won't say no. And whatever situation they are in, they will make time for me and give me different suggestions. And one thing I don't like about my best friend who's boy is that we quarrel a little on some silly issues, and it's not that it affects our relationship, but we do quarrel about these things, and almost every time he starts the quarrel.
And your friend who is girl, she is not having any,
No, sir.
she's perfect.
No, I cannot say no one is perfect, but she's fine.
Tell me your daily routine on weekdays and your daily routine on weekends.
So in last month, I used to wake up in around 5:30 or so, and then I go to walk for run for 3 kilometers and walk for 5 kilometers, and then I come back and do meditation, and then eat food and prepare for my further day routine. And I used to practice for SSB, and after the breakfast I used to organize and think of questions in my mind and study them. And if there's certain things I don't know, I Google it, search about it. And in the evening, in the noon, I rest a little bit, and then in evening this the same routine. And after that, I drink tea and enjoy a little bit, use my phone till the night. After the dinner, I study a bit, use the phone, and then I sleep by 11:30 or 12.
You sleep at 12 and then you wake up at 5:30.
Yes, sir.
So it's just 5.5 hours sleep.
So I also sleep in noon, as I mentioned.
Okay, how much time do you take for running 3 kilometers and walking 5 kilometers?
So for the running of 3 kilometers, I usually take 15 to 20, as I'm a beginner. And for the walk, I walk slowly, enjoying the nature, and it takes me around an hour.
Okay. And you follow the same routine on weekends also?
Yes, sir.
You follow the same routine on weekends also?
Yes, sir, almost every day. But when I feel tired, I skip sometimes the morning run.
Okay. Uh, Ampit, I could see that you already have got very good marks and over the years you have improved. But I couldn't see that you are doing anything for your juniors and anything. Since I think the past few months you would be at your home totally free.
Yes, sir.
So I couldn't see that you would help your juniors in their studies or things like that.
So in last past months in quarantine, I wasn't able to help my juniors. And in 11th, 12th, when somebody, I know in quarantine I also help my juniors through social media. They used to ask me questions on social media and math problems, and I give them solutions on the social media. And before that, and recently, I gave my books of 11th and 12th to my juniors to help them for studies.
So it means you are good in maths. That is what you are saying.
So I am good, but I am not perfect. I need to do a lot of practice for that.
So which is your favorite subject?
So I don't have any favorite subject, and I don't dislike any subject. As in 11th and 12th, I got good teachers, which didn't make me hate any subject or like any subject. Every subject was equal.
Who's your favorite teacher?
So my favorite teacher, he was our principal, Father Shijoke. He taught us in 9th and 10th English, and he's my favorite teacher.
Why?
So because every time he gave me punishments and all, but he taught me many things through that. Whenever he saw me going in a wrong directions, he told me and got me on the right path.
Okay. What is the most mischievous thing you have done so far?
Mischievous.
Yes.
So, as I was a naughty student in class, and I did many when the most mischievous thing was it was in chemistry class in 10th, and we were talking about the game I used to play at that time, and because of that the sir got irritated and threw me out of the class.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me like when it comes to your mind to join forces or to
So from my childhood itself.
from your childhood.
Yes, sir.
Did you take NCC?
No, sir.
Why? If
So
you were so
bec-
passionate to join.
So because in till 10th in my school there was no criteria for NCC, and in 11th and 12th I tried, but then I met the commander of the SSB in our school, the senior most student, and he told me that focus on your studies now and join NCCs in your college time.
Uh, Tell us something your participation in sports and your achievements in that.
So I love running, and I participated in sports from my childhood itself. In ninth class, there was Christ Fest in our school. It's named Christ Fest, and there I took part in many. I was vice captain then, and I took part in many games and got my house medals.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So yeah, also I was captain in 10th, and but in 10th class there was no sports competition in my school, but there was few other things where I managed the events.
Okay, Amanpreet, if you are made the head of your state,
Yes, sir.
what step would you take to improve the condition of your state as of now?
So condition like,
Like whatever you feel.
so first thing is that I will bring equality in both the main areas, that zones, that is Jammu and Kashmir, because I personally feel that there is not much employment in Jammu district, and for that I will try to bring some posts regarding different fields like teachers and so, and first thing will I will bring employment in my state.
What are your future plans?
So my future plan is to serve my country as an officer in Indian Armed Forces.
So Amanpreet, why didn't you opt for any other entry like for Navy or for Air Force?
So I uh, I didn't think of any of those things. I always because I was in area where I was surrounded by Indian Army, and which also only motivated me for joining Indian Army and nothing else.
With whom you share your secrets? With your mother, with your father, with your brother or sister,
My brother.
or your friends?
So my brother.
Your brother.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why so?
So he's my bestest friend, and I can trust on him by
What
my
is
life.
bestest?
Bestest mean he's above all those things. He's the above best friend, as he's my brother, he's my blood, and that's why I consider him the bestest friend. And I can share anything, and I can trust him that he won't deceive me and anything.
Okay. If you're not selected this time, then what are the future plans?
So I will try again, and if not, I will serve my country on other fields like in civil services.
What other competitive exams you have appeared so far?
So in NDA examination.
Okay. What was the result?
So as they don't show marks, and in the I have worked really hard, but I think due to time management, it was my first examination, and due to time management I wasn't able to do many questions. Because of that, I think I wasn't successful.
How you have prepared for your SSD?
So I have been preparing for the SAP till past last month, and I watched the videos on YouTube, and asked help from my teacher, and prepared with my friends, and we corrected each other, and my teacher corrected me, and with the help of teacher I was preparing for the SAP.
What is the reason why you want to join defense forces?
So it's my passion, and from my childhood itself, I didn't even think of joining any other services, and always dreamt of joining the defense service, as I wanted to serve my country, and I think Indian Army is the best way I can serve my country.
Okay. Do you even know how many commands are there in India?
So there are four, I think, if I'm wrong.
Okay. Name them.
So one is Northern Command, and Eastern Command, Western, and one is situated in its south, I think.
Okay. Amanpreet,
Yes, sir.
what is special about your place, your native place?
So it is the very strategical area for the country as it's situated in border area, and in past few wars and intrusions by Pakistani army, they took that way of intrusion, and also there are few brigades over there and few other army camps, and through that I think it's a very strategical area, and it's very beautiful area as it is surrounded by three sides by hills, and between there is a valley and few rivers flow through there.
Do you have any girlfriend?
No, sir.
Why?
So I in 11th and 12th I didn't think of all these things, and I was only more concentrated in my studies, and I didn't even used to go outside my room, and I was confined in that area, and I wasn't able to do so, and I didn't even want to do so as it we have to invest time in there, and I didn't have time for those things.
Okay. Uh, if you're not selected this time, what subject would you take to pursue your studies further?
So mathematics, physics, and geography with English.
So you are having doubt that you will not be selected.
No, sir, but I'm prepared. I have backups. I also work with backups.
Uh, you are attending a marriage of your best friend,
Yes, sir.
sister,
Sister?
best friend's sister.
Okay, sir.
Just at the right moment, when all the guests are sitting there, a boy come and say that I want to marry this girl, other than the groom.
Yes, sir.
How will you handle the situation?
So first of all, I will ask my best friend's sister if she is interested or she loves him, and she wants to marry, and if she says yes, I will talk to my best friend about the matter, and I will try to convince him and his parents that the happiness of his sister and their child is marrying the groom of her choice, her own choice, and that is the way she will be able to live a good life, happy life.
Okay, suppose your parents has chosen a girl for you,
Yes, sir.
but you come to know that she is very less educated.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
So less educated doesn't mean that she is not good. If she has right morals, and she has right, she is culturally fine, she is socially fine, and all other things, those are good. And I will personally educate her. I will give her all the things she needed to know for the present day routine, and I will marry her.
How will you come to know that she is possessing all the other qualities?
So I won't just marry her. I will, if my parents tell me that that's the girl, I will talk to her. I will go
What you will talk to her?
daily things about the daily matters. I talk with my friends and all, to which I
What is your favorite color? What is this is my favorite color? All those stuff.
yes, no, sir, but that's the way we start the conversation.
Okay, what is your opinion about love marriage?
So I think it's good for the happy life of the couple. It's good for happy life of the couple and positivity in the surroundings, in the society.
Okay. If who's your favorite actor?
Favorite actor. So favorite actor, I don't have any. In Bollywood, my favorite actor is Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and in Hollywood there are few, but in Bollywood there's Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Uh, where do you see yourself 5 years down the line?
So somewhere serve my country.
Amanpreet,
Yes, sir.
I have asked enough of the things to you.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to ask one more thing.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
What do you know about? There is a very hot button topic going on in JNP about Gupkar community or something like that. What's that?
So Gupkar, it's the leaders of the few political parties in Jammu and Kashmir, those who are in power of the Jammu and Kashmir like PDP, NC and other parties. They are all now having meetings and they are making group. They are combining themselves and trying to make a movement through which they think they will be able to get the special status of the JNK back and finally get their positions back as in CM and other ministers.
Okay. So, is it good or bad?
So no, it's not good.
Why?
So because of the majority of Kashmiri constituencies, all the chief ministers and everything, they are from Kashmir, not from Jammu, and through which somewhere we get the Jammu zone gets neglected, and all the things they only consider about the Kashmir's area. And if there's no such things, and the government chooses some governor, and they for them for he will consider both the zones equally and take care of the zones equally.
Okay. Aman, what if I run away with your sister?
So if she's happy with you, I won't say anything.
Okay. Tell me three uses of glass other than correcting vision.
Glass, simple glass or lenses.
Glass, lenses is made up of glass, dear.
So windows are used, glasses are used in windows and windshields for containing liquids and other stuff, and it's also used for making bulbs and different day-to-day life things.
Why should I recommend you?
So because I think I was born for doing this, and I will be able to make proud my country and my citizens, my family proud of me in this field, and I don't think I will do any. I will be able to do better in any other field rather than this.
Do you watch porn and what you do after doing it and how much you are addicted to it?
So yes, I do watch porn, but not recently. When I was in the early stage of my puberty, I used to watch a lot, and after that, it's generally we masturbate. And recent days, I'm in control, and I don't watch porn much, but something somewhere once or twice in a month I watch, and generally I do masturbate after that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to ask me?
No, sir.
Fine, Manpreet. It was nice talking to you. Have a great time. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Achievers, striving for your career.